York Street. It's the main thoroughfare that runs to the middle of the metro area. And it was in this general area of the metropolitan set we once had one of our classic backlot attractions. Some of the more recent productions shot here at Bel Air. Every once in a while, American Ninja Warrior will come through. They'll set up their obstacle course down through New York Street. Metro sets have also been used for our Peacock series TED. And also, as we travel down New York Street, you might have noticed that it had some curvature to it. New York Street is built on what is called the banana curve. So that way, when you're looking down New York Street, pointing a camera down New York Street, the street looks like it's a lot longer than it actually is. Looks like it just kind of keeps on going forever.